I found a cool trick that I wanted to share with you guys. I run my brand through WooCommerce via WordPress, and I want to share it with you guys. So let's hop on my PC and I'll show you how to do it. I find it kind of annoying that if I were to go to like a random website, let's just say Nami Matcha, right? Just using this as an example, I'm not shitting on it, but it's a kind of like annoyance to me. So it usually says website / products, which is the category / item that you are trying to sell. So just to give you an instance, it'll say it like this, right? I found a way where you could get rid of the category / products on your hyperlink, and this is how you would do it. So if you were to run a WooCommerce website, this is how you would do it. I'm going to go into my dashboard. I'm going to type in a plugin, and what a plugin is, think of it as a Docker or / application that you can install onto your website. So WooCommerce actually has its own quote unquote app store, or they call it a plugin. It's called Premerse for WooCommerce. Once you do that, you just hit activate or install. So from there, whenever you install a plugin, it's going to go to your toolbar on the left hand side of your website. So here you just go highlight Premerse, go to Hyperlink Manager, and all you would have to do is make sure that the product slug is selected. So just to give you an example, it's going to say my website / item or sample product that I'm selling instead of the / product / item. And you just hit save. So now moving forward, you don't have to see website / product / item. It's much cleaner if you do it this way. Now that we go to my website, so since I'm selling a plushie, or it's going to say regular.com / Ryu, not / product. So it's not there anymore. So let me know down in the comments down below if this helped you out when you are running your e-commerce or online business.
Call me in the middle of the night when I'm stuck inside my mind, wishing we could start